Тык, 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 тык. Ой, баба. Алло. Отваривать. Продолжаем ладить, что она. Задня до экспедиции. Так, стоп, мені не ларай пельмені дільміха. Питер. Показывать говорящего. Народ в городе барate. Примеров бабок дополнительно. Говори. Да. Ох, имбирь надо ведь. Все-таки. Имбирь надо ведь. Брианна, Янг.
I wasn't sure you'd be
Не
here.
думала, что вы придете.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
И что же на свете? А чуть-чуть как-нибудь замедлить можно? К сожалению, у меня сейчас другой нужен таймер. Только одиночной игры. Правильное нажатие приведет к провалу. Использовать простой шрифт без... Указывать имя говорящего перед размер шрифта. Размер. Замедлить никак невозможно. Ой.
Curfew's starting early
Канский
tonight.
час начался раньше.
The Met says there's a storm building
Пишет,
over the
что
Atlantic.
океан
Could be
собирается
dark for a few
пару
days.
дней посидеть.
That shouldn't affect the launch.
На русский это не повлияет.
Sometimes you look just
Ты
like
порой
him,
так и на него
That's called
похож.
genetics.
Ну да.
No.
Нет,
It's more
я
than
не
that.
об этом.
It's the way you carry
О том,
yourself.
как ты себя
There's a confidence.
чувствовать уверенно.
Yeah, you're talking about
Ага,
my
вы хотели
swagger.
сказать,
Maybe I am.
может и так.
Four years.
3 года.
It still doesn't feel real
До сих пор пора
sometimes.
не верить.
Dad was always gone for
Отец
years
целыми
on a
годами
mission.
не бывал дома.
I'm almost waiting for him to walk back through the door.
Ой.
Every time I say your
Каждый раз,
name, I'm
когда я
bringing
называю
right back to those first missions with him.
первый
Oh,
полет.
sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry for. It's nice to remember him.
I can't stop thinking about him. Especially now. If he was in our position, what would he do?
I have wondered that myself.
Вы обдумывали это? Это серьезные просьбы. Размышлять. Давай вот это.
What they want us to do is a lot to ask of someone.
Ладно, легко
I
согласен.
understand your
Я
concerns,
понимаю,
young, but
чувство, Ян.
what if we really got to
То,
lose?
что,
You know, I look at you
знаешь,
now,
когда я
and I
смотрю на
see
тебя,
that
я
kid
вижу тут
flying
девочку,
wild into the
которая
sun.
так
That
рядом.
was a long time
Это
ago.
было
When
давно.
your father and
А
I
когда
were
мы с
on
твоим
Mars,
отцом правили,
and we lost that CO2
потеряли
tank,
свой баллон,
you know, he never once
он
panicked.
ни на секунду не
Just
расстроил.
treated it like any other
Сказала, это
job we
просто
needed
еще
to
одна
do.
задача, и мы
Calm,
и
composed.
спокойно, так уверенно.
I remember it like it was
Помню,
yesterday.
будто это было сегодня.
I asked him
Я
how
спросил,
he
как
could be
ему
so
это удалось.
relaxed, and he just turned to me and he
Он
said,
повернулся и
Never
ответил:
forget why you started.
помни, зачем ты
"Never
здесь.
forget why
Помни,
you
зачем ты
started."
здесь.
He'd have all the
Он
answers.
всегда умел подобрать слова, наверное, да?
To Bill,
Забила
To Dad.
за папу. Настоящее время. Дал с капсулом 4 года спустя.
BP 120/70,
120.
heart rate 72,
Пульс 72.
temperature
Температура
97.2.
36,3.
Good morning to you
И
too.
тебе доброе
Take it
утро.
easy.
Держи спокойно,
You'll feel groggy for a
скоро
while.
это слабость.
No shit.
Да что ты говоришь?
Oxygen saturation
Насыщенный
95%,
кислород 95%.
respiration nominal.
Дыхание в норму.
Look up.
Посмотри наверх.
Pupils equal.
Зрачки
Round and
не
alert.
расширят. На свет и
Subject is fully conscious.
Пациент в полном сознании.
Good morning, Young.
Доброе утро, Ян.
Where's Carter and Sims?
Где
Shouldn't they
Картер?
be here?
Well, that is
Well,
standard procedure,
Стандартная ситуация.
but this isn't a standard situation.
Sims,
What's wrong?
you read?
Stafford and I were woken up automatically by the ship. He's trying to reach the sleep technicians now,
Sims,
so wake up's on me.
you read?
Ugh, no wonder I feel like shit.
Really?
Ты серьезно?
Rechecking myocardial and vascular
Здравия,
readings.
здравия.
Subject reports he's not feeling.
Пошутил.
I'm fine.
Все хорошо.
Thanks. Where are we?
Ну где?
Right where we're supposed to be,
Именно там, где
within
нужно.
range of the marker
Скоро
and
будем у
accelerating
точки
for orbit.
назначения.
Waking the second pilot now.
Начинаем пробуждение второго пилота.
Carter, Sims, do you read?
Legend.
Simple pleasures, huh?
Маленькая радость жизни. Давай.
How you feeling?
Как тебя
Like the
чувствуешь?
hangover from hell?
Как будто...
Carter, Sims, do you read?
Вы меня слышите?
Try that.
Попробуй.
This is Commander Stafford.
Говори, команда Сафар.
Where the hell are you two?
Где вы...
I read you, sir. We're in
Слышу вас.
engineering. The ship suffered a minor hull breach, so we're running diagnostics and making the necessary repairs, as per protocol.
How bad are we talking?
Какого?
We're still running
Мы все еще
diagnostics.
проводим
Once
диагноз.
we're done, we'll provide a full damage
Только
report.
закончили.
Gut feeling.
Manageable. Looks like
Вроде
we're
все
lucky.
не так плохо победить.
Anything we need to jump on?
Ну, здесь поводы.
We're trying to establish that
Пытаемся
line.
это
Our
выяснить.
orbital window is
Выход
in
на
1
орбиту
hour.
должен состоять через час.
Have you made engine
Двигатели
preparations?
готовы?
No, sir.
Нет,
The
командир.
damage from the hull breach took
Мы сразу же
priority.
за ним
Understood. We'll
приняли.
prep the engines ourselves.
Apologies we weren't there to wake
Мама
you,
еще что
sir.
не смогли.
Can you confirm how many of you are awake?
Проснулся.
Just the 4 flight crew.
Только четвертый.
We'll wake the others in orbit as
Остальных
planned.
Ля ты
Let's go
крыса.
check on Mitchell.
Пойдем проверим, как там. Ректурга не хангарава да, я успеваю.
You okay?
Just snoozing.
4 years of sleep wasn't enough, huh? Whenever you're ready, kiddo.
Corinth is committed to your future. That's why we selected the best of the best and entrusted them
Спасение
with the
человечества.
survival of the human race. As you know,
Как вы
the
знаете,
Cassiopeia
Кассиопея
is a little
немного больше
larger than a
обычного
standard recon vessel. But it
корабля.
was imperative to
Но мы
replicate the
должны были
conditions
повторить
of our sister ship,
строение
the
корабля
Andromeda.
«Спутник».
If our survey
Если
is
наши
successful,
исследования
the
окажутся
Andromeda
верны,
will land on Tau Ceti F and begin the
И
new
открыть новую главу
chapter of
нашей
civilization. The future
Будущее
starts
начинается
now.
прямо сейчас, благодаря работе Курин. Какой-то странный. Он очень странно себя ведет и странно себя как-то смотрит. А, я тут лежал, да? Да. Вы меня ждете, да, товарищи овощи? Естественно.
Rise and shine, sleeping
Снимаю
beauty.
пояс красавицу.
And to what do I
Еще
owe the honor of this royal
я
welcome?
заслужил.
There's been a hull breach.
Корпус корабля обнаружен.
Carter and Sims are looking
Карта
into
этим
it.
занята ремонтом.
It would explain why our
Это
oxygen
обычно
processing is
замедлит
down.
переборы
That
кислорода.
sounds
Звучит
bad.
It's under
верно.
control.
Все под контролем.
But we're only an hour from the
Но у
marker.
нас осталось
Young, Isaac,
Янг, Айзек.
begin engine checks in preparation
Подготовьте
for
двигатель
orbit.
к выходу на
I'll
орбиту.
take Mitchell, and we'll reboot the CO2 scrubbers.
How about I save some oxygen and go back to sleep?
Come on, we have jobs to do.
Очень быстро говорите.
You feeling all right?
Как себя чувствуешь?
Kinda weird.
Да, как-то странно.
Feels like I went to sleep only
Это за
yesterday and
4
now I
года
have a headache 4 years in the
стал
making.
страшной мигренью.
It's like my body's going one
У
way
меня
and my
как
mind's
будто
going
мысли
another.
отдельного отдела.
That's to be
Тут
expected.
нет ничего удивительного.
Humans weren't made for hibernation.
Нет.
Just make sure you take care of yourself over the course of the mission. Body and mind. You understand?
Well, these guns have been asleep way too long.
Attaboy.
Ля ты крыса.
Hey,
Слушай,
meant to ask you
хотел
before they
еще
put us under.
гибридацию спросить.
How do you feel about this being your
Что
last
вы
mission?
чувствуете?
Your grand finale.
Грандиозно такой.
It's a hell of an
Да
encore.
уже достойный финал.
First manned
Первый
exoplanetary mission.
полета.
Not bad for a commander's farewell.
Когда последний выход на бис. Доставка не мой путь. Мой долг служба.
Retirement doesn't look good on me. If I wasn't part of this mission, I'd be right behind you on the Andromeda.
Spoken like a true
Кто
pioneer.
истинный первый?
I'm the luckiest commander in the Corinth ranks, the
Лишь
best
мне
team I could have
повезло
asked for.
попасть сюда. Да,
There's no
еще
other
и
crew like us.
другой.
It's a
А?
real shame we lost McNamara.
A damn tragedy.
Ужасная трагедия.
What's your take on Anders?
Что вы думаете
Bit of a
об
late replacement, huh?
утверждении прямом?
You trust her?
Сомнение, доверие. Я доверяю кодировикам. Кадровикам. И буду пристально следить за ней.
I'll be keeping a close eye on her.
Good to know.
Same as I do with all my...
51. Давай заново. Сомнение.
I'm the luckiest commander in the Corinth ranks, with the best team I could have asked for. There's no other crew like us.
It's a real shame we lost McNamara.
A damn tragedy.
What's your take on Anders? Bit of a late replacement, huh? You trust her?
I trust the Corinth recruitment process.
И чё это мне дало? Тут 51. А тут... Ну вот это была, скорее всего, больше процентов, чем тут. Да, давай сюда. Нахуй.
I'll be keeping a close eye on her.
Good to know.
Same as I do with all my crew. Isley, we're almost at hydroponics. Head over when you're done.
Okay,
Так,
remind me why
например,
we're
как
here.
еще...
Because the technicians didn't do their jobs. We'll need to bring the reactor to full power.
You know, I've never flown something with a reactor this size.
Реактор.
You aren't worried it might pop?
Боишься?
They get more unstable the bigger they are, don't they?
Don't be sensational. The tech's come a long way since Jessup Station. You'd struggle to break this one even if you tried.
How can you be so sure?
Because I trust the science. And I trust my shit.
3D-печать. Готовность всего через
Come on.
3 месяца.
We need to get back on schedule.
Максимальная эффективность за минимум.
It's a
minimальную
magnificent beast, this ship.
Подожди, я отмотрусь.
So, how does it feel?
А мне туда нельзя.
To see your baby finally en route to Taos ATF. Mission in progress.
I'll tell you how it feels when it's mission complete.
Доступный новый диалог. Открыть место. Мандык талабында. Да, уговорил Стефорда приглядывать за Андерсом. Возражение, шутка. Давай шутками. Ты же мой сладкий уже... Папочки, эй, я виноват, что ли? Про экипаж поменяли в последний момент. Нет, конечно, только не виноват. Но папаше виднее. Боже, звучит ужасно. Мы с Айзом внизу. в реакторном отсеке. И как оно? Давай комплиментами. Корабль весь до последней проводочка. Она вложила в него душу. И это восхищает. Айзли хороший человек. Картер, что там внизу? Нужна помощь? Так, не ответила. Перри Симмс. У вас все в порядке, Стефорд? За нас обоих переживает. Опа! Недавно прочитано. И что-то хотела писать и не ответила. Это якобы как бы странно. Мы знаем, что это Луна. Так, вы все еще отрицаете очевидное. Ее еще можно спасти. Не будьте наивными дурачками на зарплату и спиринг. Вы должны найти новый дом. Пока еще не поздно. Все еще отрицаете очевидное. Нет. Не будьте наивными дурачками. Это на что-то намекает? Походу, да. Что-то намекает. Получено новое сообщение. Тут в оранжерее темно, как в жопе. Растения отбрасывают стрёмные тени. По-моему, они даже шевелятся. Пару секунд я включу ощущение. Ну, спасибо. Я буду тебе признать, если включишь ощущение как можно скорее. Шпион с пирингом. То и моя задача всех вас убить. Ну, попробуй. Они с тобой вообще связывались и великие. Нет, а тебе? Нет, но я думаю, они пытались завербовать Андерс. Просто корни. Оказалось быстрее. Ну и хорошо, спиринг, странные ребят. Понять не могу. Ну давай согласимся. Ладно, это их проблема. Окей.
The reactor should have spun up earlier.
Редактор должен запуститься.
We'll need to redirect auxiliary power. Can you access that console?
Какой консул? Я что-то не догоняю, подожди. А тут что? А, тут лифт, понял.
Long time no speak.
Никакой мы не общались.
Carter says hi.
Картер вроде.
Right.
Так вот.
That bonsai you gave him is shaping up nicely. 3 years of pruning and he's
Картер
still
3
not
года
bored
его
with it.
быстрого видимо.
Honestly, these updates are getting weird
Просто
now.
обновление
They
надо.
just patched an issue with the intruder alert sensors. What kind of risk is there out here for that kind of system update? Carter?
What was I saying?
Простите, так очень. Странно.
The Oracle is suggesting we redirect power from the landing systems. Just as well, considering we're not landing. Alternatively, we redirect power from fire control.
Отключить автоштурмана. Отключить противопожарную систему. Автоштурман.
Fire control temporarily disabled.
There we go.
А. 40. 46. А тут тогда что? Сколько? 50? 60? Давай проверим. Ну, проверим.
Fire control temporarily disabled.
There.
No, подожди. Я не то нажал. Я не то нажал. Я не то нажал. То нажал. 8.
The Oracle is suggesting we redirect power from the landing systems. Just as well,
Это нам
considering we're
подходит.
not landing. Alternatively,
Его
we
можно
redirect
отключить
power from fire
противопожарную
control.
систему.
Landing systems temporarily disabled.
There we go.
И это мне сколько дало? О, 32. А там было 21.
Just like Christmas.
That's good, considering
Надо,
we've
короче,
missed the last
пройдем,
few.
потом
Thanks for the
прямо колонку
reminder.
репетонаться. Оранжерея.
Hey,
Эй,
sit there long enough.
еще
You'll grow
чуть-чуть и
roots.
корни
Bite me.
пустить. Да,
Ой.
иди.
No, it's good to see you taking care of your mental health. And,
Engines are prepped and the power plant is fully operational, Commander. We're ready for orbit.
Excellent. Good work, Isley.
What did the pilot say when he walked into the bar?
I don't know. What did the
Given
pilot
the
say?
circumstances, I'd say they're both performing well.
Aren't they just? That tree was a neat addition.
Дерево
Good to have a
отлично.
reminder
Будет
of home.
потом где-то нам.
Actually, it measurably reduces the load on our oxygen scrubbers. Plus, its canopy serves as an effective dust filter. But yes, I had a hawthorn just like it in my garden back at home. It's actually a cutting.
Кстати, это и очень
A little piece of you.
такого дома.
I'm glad you're with us, Isley.
Рад, что вы с нами.
This ship is all you.
Вы сердце этого
You should be
корабля.
proud to sail aboard it.
Должно быть уже.
Of course, sir.
Конечно, все.
I must say, I'm disappointed with our sleep technicians. I'd expected more efficiency from them.
You think they should have been there to wake us?
Well, I'd like to know why they thought the repairs were more important. For the record, I'd like to check their
В всякий
service
случай бы
logs.
хотела проверить видеозапись.
Very well. For the
Понял, на
record.
всякий случай.
But Isley,
А Изли,
do remember that we're all a
только
long
не
way from
забывай,
home.
что...
It's beautiful out there.
Sure is.
You ever think what you might have been if you weren't a pilot?
Oh, not a chance. This has always been it for me.
Goddamn right. I could die out here.
But that is not gonna happen.
No, I mean, like, it'd be cool. What would you do?
Gosh, I don't know. I'd be dead.
No, I meant with my body. If I had died, would you just pop the airlock and send me floating out into space?
Company guidelines state no littering in orbit. That definitely includes your dead ass.
Cold-blooded.
Ooh, actually, hydro. You'd make perfect fertilizer for the shrubbery.
Oh.
You know, like a back to nature kind of thing. I could visit every night and fill you in on the latest. But don't go dying just yet.
Oh, for you, I'd go for permission. Freeze drying.
Seriously.
Yeah, it'd be kind of fun. Put you into an airtight bag, stick you out into negative 270 degrees, shake you around a little until you shatter into a million pieces. Then, hey presto, finally ground young.
Oh,
Hey.
wow.
Boom.
For now, let's just both stay alive.
No dying intended. Unless I actually land this fucker on Taos Eddie F. Ah, hey, I could be the planet's first dead guy.
Don't even joke about that.
Whoa, what's eating you?
Sometimes I can't tell if you're joking or just being an ass.
Oh.
Why not apply it here? Take what's broken and honor its faults. Highlight them even.
That's wonderful. Except, I'm pretty sure kintsugi is for pottery, not plants.
You can still apply the mindset. Celebrate the beauty and the flaws. Carter?
Sorry, Commander. Sorry, Commander, there's just too much... Sorry, Commander, there's just too much interference down there.
You are one
Isaac.
Jesus, Stafford.
What's got you so entranced?
The sleep technicians. I thought I'd check their surveillance logs, and I found something weird. Look at the time code on this one. It's from after the impact. They should be running repairs at that time.
It looks odd, but the systems are glitching all over the ship. The camera probably crashed, but the time code kept running.
That's an assumption.
What are you suggesting?
Don't you think it's odd? Is it normal behavior to be standing still, staring at us for hours on end? What's going on?
I don't know, Isley. Looks like a glitch to me.
And how do you explain the missing files, just as things get abnormal?
We don't know how bad the systems have been damaged. We have to consider the facts before jumping to conclusions.
But the facts are right here, on this tape.
Commander, we're coming up to the marker now. We need to prep for boostering detachment.
Confirmed. Thanks, Young. Isley, you're the last person I need to remind how important this mission is. I can't have you distracted by paranoia. I need you on point.
But, sir...
What more do you want?
Something about this Doesn't sit right with me. Have you heard from Sims?
I'll speak to them, don't worry.
I just think it's worth getting in touch with them. Directly.
I'll need all hands on deck for the detachment. Especially my second in command.
Do you mind if I speak to Carter and Sims?
I'll talk to them, trust me.
Screw it.
Pumps are clear, so you should be good for the burn. Unless she's hiding more surprises up her sleeve. We've run 3 test cycles now, and we're reading nominal in all lines.
Good work. We're still experiencing shorts in the lighting and surveillance systems. Any ETA on a fix?
That's on Carter. He's still in the guts doing wiring repairs.
Can you patch me through? I'd like to hear his voice.
Sure.
The damage must be shorting the ship's electronics.
Carter? Can you hear me?
Sorry, Commander, there's just too much interference down there.
Never mind. Just make sure he's well clear of there before we engage the braking burn. Take care, Sims. Status report.
Deceleration in final stages. We're right on top of the marker.
Okay, let's keep this airtight. Isley, run the checklist.
The booster ring isn't designed for close orbit. To ensure its integrity, we're releasing it into a safer orbit around the planet well outside the atmosphere. Once the Cassiopeia is in orbit around Tau Ceti F, we'll wake the science crew and begin the planetary survey for the landing team on the Andromeda.
Manual detach sequence set.
Confirmed. Sequence is primed.
On my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
It's a thing of beauty.
We should have visual on Tau Ceti F now.
Let's get her up on screen.
If only Dad could have seen this.
I know.
Hey, maybe we should land this thing. Take a little walk before the Andromeda gets here.
Not this again.
Look, I get it. Not enough fuel to land and get home. I'm just saying it's about legacy.
This isn't about fortune and glory. We were chosen to clear a path for history to be made. Think about that. We trained together. We launched together. We execute the mission together, and we return together. It's not about what we do here. It's about what we learn. The data we gather forge the way for the next great leap in human progress.
Okay. He's good.
Best of the best.
There are anomalous issues regarding the sleep crew. I'm going to perform a search of their quarters. Don't have time to stand around. I need to get this done before Stafford has my head.
Humanity was made for the stars. I really believe that. We were built to adapt. I certainly was. When I was really ill as a kid, I knew I had to adapt to survive. And I've never stopped doing that, really. And I never will. Tau Ceti F represents the potential we have to evolve.
Progress can be ugly. At Corinth, our focus has always been the same, driving humanity forwards. To move forwards, we have to look at where we are. Sometimes the reality is ugly. Not everyone wants to admit that. But we have been in this business for centuries, and we're only just getting started. Corinth, humanity first. What do you see?
A butterfly.
Beauty.
What about this?
A secret handshake.
A fortress.
And this?
I don't know.
I see potential.
History in the making.
Secrets of the universe.
I see whatever we want it to be. Corinth, where humanity comes first.
Sims, you still in engineering?
Still busy down here, Commander. We need another 10 minutes.
Suits me just fine. Well, at least they made the wake-up cake.
You used to work with Young's dad, right?
Bill Young. They don't make them like that anymore.
CEO LaMarcus Williams.
What defines humanity? Our ability to collaborate, to contemplate the big question. Progress can be ugly. And
pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing Mum and Dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, tend to the garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. To stay with a parenting analogy, you've got to put the kids first. Always.
Sleeping again, Sims?
Well, we're going to be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I missed years of nothing but video games? Not likely.
I'll have you gardening with me in hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pod technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there, while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing Mum and Dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, tend to the garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. To stay with a parenting analogy, you've got to put the kids first. Always.
Sleeping again, Sims?
Well, we're going to be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I missed years of nothing but video games? Not likely.
I'll have you gardening with me in hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pod technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there, while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing Mum and Dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, tend to the garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. To stay with a parenting analogy, you've got to put the kids first. Always.
Sleeping again, Sims?
Well, we're going to be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I missed years of nothing but video games? Not likely.
I'll have you gardening with me in hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pod technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there, while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right.
Hey, Mum. We're getting pretty bored out here. Though Carter and I seem to have different meanings of bored. While I work through the coffee blends, Carter cooks up fun tasks for us to carry out during downtime. Yesterday, I was on an inventory check. I found something odd. Turns out, the stasis fluid for the crew's return trip isn't the same mix they're using now. Carter and I trained for this procedure, but we never used different stasis fluids. Why weren't we briefed on this? I'll let you know if I find out more. I feel better imagining you on the other side. You with your green tea, me with my mint cherry mocha, apparently. Cheers!
a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. To stay with a parenting analogy, you got to put the kids first. Always.
Sleeping again, Sims?
Well, we're going to be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I missed years of nothing but video games. Not likely.
I'll have you gardening with me in hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. Pot ignition. That means we're away from the 4-year journey there while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing Mum and Dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, tend to the garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. To stay with a parenting analogy, you got to put the kids first. Always.
Sleeping again, Sims?
Well, we're going to be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I missed years of nothing but video games. Not likely.
I'll have you gardening with me in hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pot technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing Mum and Dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening process. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is.
still in engineering, huh?
As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
Kind of like playing mum and dad. Cards are nice, go chill.
Maintenance error in Crew Lounge 1. Reconfiguration in progress. Stand by. System error identified.
Well, we're gonna be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? And just years of nothing but video games? Not likely.
Where are you going?
Hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pod technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there, while the main crew sleep.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, We manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
I like playing mum and dad. Carter and I, we'll chill, talk about the future, tend to the garden, and then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually highly technical. Without the requisite skill, it can be a life-threatening project. It's a small price to pay for what we hope to achieve.
Sure is. Stay with this parenting analogy.
Warning. Reconfiguration in progress.
Sims? What are you doing?
What's wrong, Sims? Talk to me.
Warning. Airlock locking clamps released. All personnel, clear fuel junction 4.
Sims, don't do this.
5, 4,
No, shit.
3, 2,
Sims?
1.
Hey, I'm reading an airlock log at Fuel Junction 4. What's going on?
Shut the airlock!
Isolate. Are you in there?
Stafford, seal the airlock!
Mitchell, seal it up right now.
Pressurization cycle engaged.
Hold on, Isley.
Closing airlock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Isley, are you safe? Report in.
It was Sims. She tried to kill me.
What? Why would she do that? Everyone, I need you to remain.
Damn it. Sims? Still in engineering, huh?
As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
I like playing Mum and Dad. Guards are not.
Maintenance error in Crew Lounge 1. Reconfiguration in progress. Stand by. System error identified.
Well, we're gonna be awake for 8 years, so I thought I'd stock up on melatonin.
I thought you might not make it.
What? I'm missing years of nothing but video games? Not likely.
Where are you going?
Hydroponics, don't you worry. It's important to be mindful. We're pod technicians. That means we're awake for the 4-year journey there, while the main crew sleeps.
And the 4-year journey back.
Right. As the wake-up crew, or sleep crew, as we like to say, we manage and monitor the main crew sleep pods while in transit.
I like playing Mum and Dad. Guards are nice. Go to jail, talk about the future, tend to the garden. And then wake the kids up for the fun stuff.
It's actually hot.
Warning. Reconfiguration in progress.
What's wrong, Sims? Talk to me.
Warning. Airlock locking clamps released. All personnel, clear fuel junction 4.
Sims, don't do this.
5, 4,
No, shit!
2,
Sims?
Hey, I'm reading an airlock alarm at Fuel Junction 4. What's going on?
Shut the airlock!
Isol, are you in there?
Stafford, seal the airlock!
Mitchell, seal it up right now.
pressurization cycle engaged.
Hold on, Isley.
Closing airlock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Isley, are you safe? Report in.
It was Sims. She tried to kill me.
What? Why would she do that? Everyone, I need you to remain.
Damn it.
Maintenance alert. Blockage detected in ventilation system.
Every part of this mission was meticulously planned. Life, however, is unpredictable. Whatever factors lie within our control, the universe always has a plan of its own.
Open the door.
You're not coming in.
Open the door, Cernan, right now!
Go away!
There's a solution to everything, right?
Shit!
I've been thinking about that story you told. That little boy who always won at hide and seek, walking calmly up and down the road. Are you calm now, Cernan? Because this isn't a game anymore. It's dark. Where we're going, there's no light. To get to that door. Just come out. You know how this is going to end. I'm your friend. You can trust me.
It's dark. Where we're going, there is no light. Just come out. You know how this is going to end. I'm your friend. You can trust me. It's dark. Where we're going, there's no light. It's okay, Sonny. I can help you.
Progress can be ugly. At Corinth, our focus has always been the same, driving humanity forwards. To move forwards, we have to look at where we are. Sometimes the reality is ugly. Not everyone wants to admit that. But we have been in this business for centuries, and we're only just getting started. Corinth. Sure, man.
Sims, this is Stafford. Talk to me. Sims.
Can someone please tell me what the fuck is going on here?
I've got Carter here, and it looks... I need your status and location. Sims? Are you safe? At least tell me that.
I've checked the cameras. Nothing.
They must still be in the guts. God damn it, why aren't they answering?
Decomposition's already started. They've been dead for hours.
Must have been there since we woke.
It doesn't make any fucking sense, man. Stafford spoke to them. We heard them.
Help me seal the pod.
Yeah. Okay. Push now.
I am. It's stuck. Shit, what?
We're gonna have to break it.
What? Are you kidding me?
Lord have mercy. So what do we see?
No comms unit.
It's missing. Interesting.
Utility strap is missing.
Shame they aren't chipped. No way of tracking it.
Fucking hell.
Stab wound to the abdominal region.
Looks different to the rest of the wounds. Could be the cause of death.
We don't know that.
Legs shattered.
No indication whether pre or post-mortem.
Mitchell, get up to the flight deck. The burn window is fast approaching, and we can't let anything endanger this mission. Even something like this.
What are we gonna do?
We need to find Sims.
We need an autopsy. We should wake Dr. Cooper.
We don't have time. We're almost at orbit.
Doesn't make sense. How could I have gotten her so wrong?
People change. A lot can happen in 4 years.
They really had no red flags during training?
They both passed the trials with flying colors.
I gave explicit orders, and you disobeyed them. What were you doing on the crew deck anyway?
If I hadn't gone down there, things could be a lot worse.
And things could get worse still if the chain of command breaks down. Let's get this pod sealed and file a report.
I know there's some major shit going down right now, but we're real tight on that mission marker. We gotta get into orbit, Commander.
On our way, son. Isley, Young, you go ahead. I'll be right behind you. Sims, we're gonna work this out. But for now, wherever you are, stay safe. Young, are you at your station?
Yes, Commander.
Good. How long have we got?
Orbital window closing rapidly, Commander.
I have vector control. You're on main engines.
Already on it.
Buckle up.
Orbital window closing in 43 seconds.
Young, you got this?
Under control?
We've had some knocks, but this is what we trained for. Let's pull together. Let's do it for Carter.
Heading looks good. Not reading any drift.
Clean.
Oh, you're too kind.
Strange. I'm picking up some odd readouts in near orbit. Stellar objects?
We'll run a full scan when we're stable.
Prepare for braking burn.
Final checks, please. Guidance?
Go.
Orientation?
Go.
Thrust?
Go. Let's send it.
Command is go.
Firing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on!
Vector stable. Approaching orbital trajectory. Disengage burn in 3, 2, 1.
Mitchell, cut the burn.
Orbital velocity decreasing.
Mitchell,
Give me a minute.
cut the burn.
I said a minute!
We've lost orbital velocity. We need to recalibrate right now or we're hitting that planet.
I'm locked out.
Is your panel connected?
I don't know. The engine's not responding.
He's right. It's mechanical. I can't cut the engines either.
Shit.
We're out of time.
Did you cut the engines?
No. The fuel tank bottomed out.
We are 30 seconds from atmosphere.
Impact velocity.
Survivable. But it depends on atmospheric drag.
Young, bring us round for a landing.
Starting aero brake. I'm gonna fly it in with the RCS.
RCS reserves at 82%.
Get ready to dump it into the retros.
Ready. Wait. The landing computer's offline. We're going in blind!
40 clicks to impact.
I can bring the landing computer online manually.
Stafford, stay down. It's too dangerous.
Commander, we need that computer online.
You can fix it. If you go now. We can't risk going in dark. Do it!
I'm going in.
20 clicks to impact.
Stafford!
You gotta bring the nose up!
We're too fast!
7 clicks.
Fuck! I can't see jack shit!
Stand by for retros.
I got it!
1 kilometer. Now!
Cooper!
Hold still, I'm almost done.
What's going on? Where's the rest of the crew?
We're not sure what's going on yet. Right now, I need you to stay calm so I can complete the wake-up process.
We got gravity. Where are the sleep technicians?
They're not able to help at the moment.
Carter's dead.
What? What happened to him?
We don't know.
Oh my God. He's mangled. Oh, poor Carter.
We can't get a line through to the Oracle, or the rest of the crew. We don't know what's going on.
He's been dead for days.
Looks like it. But his pod was only sealed an hour ago.
That doesn't make sense.
No, it certainly doesn't.
Warning, critical systems failure.
The messenger is down. I can't connect to comms.
Breach seals are down.
We've taken some major damage. Lower decks in particular.
Yeah, we know.
What we don't know is why we have gravity.
Either we've crash landed or the ship's entered a catastrophic spin. Right now, there's no way of telling. Breach seals have locked us in here.
Stafford, do you read? Stafford, do you read?
Okay, Williams.
You really want to wake the boss up to this nightmare?
It's not safe to leave him under in an emergency. I'll wake him. Shit! His blood stabilizer's not responding. We need to get him through wake up. Immediately. Release the emergency lock. On the back, next to the hinge. Left side.
Got it!
I'm gonna give him a quick pulse to wake him. Get ready to... Shit! Cernan, hold him down.
He's hemorrhaging.
He's fine. His body's just reacting to the heavy dose.
Well, that's some reaction.
Better a nosebleed now than an aneurysm later.
We need to override those breach seals.
We could get through with some wedge tools, right?
Right. Tool stores behind that bulkhead over there. Though there should be the maintenance tunnel. Come with me. If we break that breach seal, we can regroup with the crew and find out what happened here.
Assuming they're still alive.
Well, I hope you've got your pilot's license, because if you're right, you're flying us home. Monitor him closely and holler if you need me. It'll be 2 minutes.
Guess it's just you and me now.
You okay back there, Anders?
Fine. Just get us out of here.
It's cold in here.
You just woke up. Keep moving. You'll warm up.
Thanks, Doc. You think Williams is going to pull through?
Malfunction. Take 4. Pod room.
You'll be fine.
Not afraid of tight spaces, are you, Cooper?
Please. I was a Marine. We used to crawl through shit for fun.
Did you see that?
All I can see is your ass, Cernan.
I thought I saw movement.
It's dark. Just keep focused.
Down here, to the right.
Do you even know where you're going?
We need to go up, I think.
There's the tool store.
Door's unpowered.
So what can we do?
Repower it, I guess?
Now that's why they pay you the big bucks.
Look at this place.
You sound like a kid in a candy store.
Hey, Mum. Just had dinner. I know space food has come a long way, but no amount of salt can make cloned meat powder compared to your cooking. I'd kill for some Mansoor dal right now. We're pretty close to Cetus, so I thought I'd check in on the Andromeda sleep crew. I've spent almost 2 hours waiting on a reply. I thought they'd be excited to hear from someone else, but they're obviously far too busy. Oh, speak of the devil.
Great to hear your voice, Cassiopeia. How you doing out there, breaking records? So, neat idea, but we'll have to pass on that remote chess game. Earth wants us to keep this frequency clear. Okay, you'll also win. Got to admit that factors into our decision too. Anyhow, be good, be patient, be kind to each other. Still a ways to go.
Sims!
Sorry, Mum. Duty calls.
So far, we've had luck on our side.
What's with the lucky charm?
Do you have faith?
I've seen enough pointless deaths to know there's nobody out there looking out for any of us.
No body, perhaps. But I believe there are forces out there that we'll never understand.
Stafford!
The backup computer's disabled.
We shut it down to repower the ship. Get back to your seat. Stafford!
50%! You gotta bring the nose up! We're too fast!
7 clicks.
Fuck! I can't see jack shit! Stand by for retros! I got it!
Stafford!
Move!
1 kilometer.
Stafford!
So far, we've had luck on our side.
What's with the lucky charm?
It reminds me of my husband, Mikhail.
He passed, didn't he?
A while ago now. But we made a promise to each other before he died. He promised he'd find me again, in the next life.
And what did you promise him?
I promised to honor him by living a life that he can be proud of.
He's watching over you, I bet.
We can fix this, Cooper. Higher power or not, I've always believed we're in control of our own fates. It's what makes every soul unique.
Okay, you're too mystical to be an engineer.
When I was young, I wanted to be an actor.
Stage or screen?
Now my charms are all overthrown, and what strength I have's mine own, which is most faint. Now 'tis true, I must be here, confined by you.
Wow. Hey, if we get out of this, I'll be in the front row.
Come on. We better get back to the others.
Hey, Mum. Just had dinner. I know space food has come along.
You know how to use that?
I know how to bonk you on the head if you keep asking dumb questions. Boom.
Let's get out of here.
Your vitals are stable, but you experienced a minor seizure during the wake-up procedure.
Miss me? We're lucky to have you here, you know. You're the second smartest person I know.
Second smartest? After you?
Oh, I meant Isley. Okay, you're the third smartest person I know.
Why are you being so nice to me? Am I dying? How long do I have, Doc?
No, you're good. I'll take care of you. I'll be back in a minute. Just gotta get that door open.
Here's Cooper now. Told you she wouldn't be long.
Time to clock out. Mr. Williams, how are you feeling?
I'm okay. What's going on here? What's happened?
There's no need to worry, Mr. Williams. You just need to remain calm and relaxed. Once your condition has stabilized, we can give you a full report on what we know.
I do feel pretty woozy.
That's okay. Just remain seated, take some deep breaths. It takes a while to settle down, but it will. Promise. Anders, stay with Williams. We need to get this door open.
Right away, Doc.
Should I be feeling this shitty?
Isley!
Is everyone through wake-up?
We had a problem with Williams, but he seems to be stable.
Good. I need to speak to you together.
What's going on?
keep this brief. The flight crew was woken by a minor meteorite impact. It penetrated multiple decks and, unsurprisingly, caused some system failures.
That's it?
No. We had a series of operational challenges getting into orbit, and...
You said this would be brief.
We had to land on Tau Ceti F.
What?
This mission was not configured for a landing.
What does that mean?
We don't have enough fuel to get home.
What? That sounds like a bit of an oversight. Who made that decision?
Me. And it wasn't an oversight.
We weren't given enough fuel to land and take off again. It's to stop us stealing the Andromeda's limelight. Did you not even skim read the mission brief?
I think we deserve a little more trust.
It's not about trust. It's about controlling the parameters of the mission.
If you say so.
And for now, no way to contact anyone for help. Our long-range transmitter was damaged in the crash, and we need to run repairs. Until then, we can only receive messages from Earth. We can't talk back.
Is that how Carter died? In the crash?
No.
Then what happened to him?
We don't have all the facts yet.
What do you mean?
During our hibernation, it looks like Sims suffered a psychotic episode. She killed Carter. She may have even contributed to the crash.
Stop. Do you mean to tell me that I've invested billions of dollars, several years of my life, and traveled halfway across the galaxy on a mission that has fallen apart before it's even got started? This is what I wake up to? And to top it off, a murder? Are you fucking kidding me? I had your fullest assurance that these two were vetted painstakingly out of thousands of potential candidates specifically to avoid this exact situation. To not harm one another. How have you let this happen?
Mr. Williams?
I'm fine. It's just... my head hurts like hell.
I'm giving you an anti-epileptic. It'll ease the pain and relieve the pressure on your blood system.
Please tell me Sims isn't still out there.
I'm afraid she is. We believe she's using the maintenance layers to evade surveillance. Sir, Stafford has given the order to sweep the ship for Sims before she puts anyone else in danger. It's not safe to tackle any other issues before this matter is resolved.
This is such a mess.
Well, it's your job to fix it, right? Or am I misremembering something? Come on, let's go find this asshole. Where are my clothes?
Right this way, sir. I can get your suit out for you if you...
I can do it.
Of course. Oh, and it's nice to meet you properly, Mr. Williams. Even if the circumstances are a little...
Please, drop the mister. Honestly, out here, I'm just a part of the crew.
Of course, sir.
I did everything right. I disengaged the braking burn at exactly the right time. But nothing fucking happened.
It's true. I tried from my console. There was nothing.
Sims was in engineering when the controls went down. If she's still alive, we need to find her. Young, get me a full damage report.
Sir.
Everyone okay down there?
All safe and prepping for the search. Mr. Williams suffered a seizure, but Cooper's got an eye on him. He wants to speak to you when he's done with the search.
Mitchell? You're not to blame here. Sims is. We need to find her before she causes any more damage. And we need to do it together.
Stafford, do you read?
Reading you loud and clear. Good to hear your voice, Cernan. As you know, we have a situation. We'll be in bridge ops, running damage diagnostics. I need you to find Sims and bring her back so we can talk this out. Watch each other's backs.
Deck 2. Crew deck.
Isley, this is Cooper. We're on the crew deck.
Head for the technician's quarter. Sims was down there, and I want to know why. Be careful. She could be anywhere.
So no eyes on her.
No, the monitoring systems are still damaged. We're working on them now. Good luck.
Beautiful. Feels like we're gonna need more than luck. Okay, let's split up.
What?
If we do this in pairs, we'll cover more ground. Once we've done a sweep, we'll converge on their quarters.
And if we find them?
You keep safe and you report it over comms. Cernan, you take Mr. Williams. Anders, you're with me.
Hey, take care, Cooper.
You too.
God, it's been trashed.
We need to get to the other side of the wreckage.
What do you think happened to her?
I don't know. But I know Sims is no killer.
You've got to admit, it doesn't look good.
She wouldn't hurt a fly. Window's broken. We can climb through.
Humanity's been given a second chance, and it's up to us to make the most of it. We have a responsibility not to let history repeat itself. Corinth is giving us that opportunity, so it's on us to carpe the heck out of that diem.
Shit, there's glass everywhere. Damn cell's overloaded. Need to find a spare.
Humanity's been given a second chance, and it's up to us to make the most of it. We have a responsibility not to let history repeat itself. Corinth is giving us that opportunity, so it's on us to carpe the heck out of that diem.
This should do the trick. Did it.
Wow. 6 months. Has it really been that long? I've never known something to go by so quickly and so slowly all at once.
Piece of shit.
I miss you. We miss you. Luna, come say hello to Daddy.
No.
I told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but I've been explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are, and how big she's going to be when you come home.
Come home, Daddy.
We miss you. Luna, come say hello to Daddy.
No.
I told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but I've been explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are, and how big she's going to be when you come home.
Come home, Daddy.
I told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but
Okay. Grab the power cell from the door.
explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are.
I'm seeing a lot of hiding places.
If we stick together, we'll be fine. I've got your back.
Home, Daddy.
What?
Wow. 6 months. Has it really been that long? I've never known something to go by so quickly and so slowly all at once. I miss you. We miss you. Luna, come say hello to Daddy.
No.
I've told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but... I've been explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are, and how big she's gonna be when you come home.
Come home, Daddy.
Wow. 6 months. Has it really been that long? I've never known something to go by so quickly and so slowly all at once. I miss you. We miss you. Luna, come say hello to Daddy.
No.
I've told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but... I've been explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are, and how big she's gonna be when you come home.
Come home, Daddy.
Wow. 6 months. Has it really been that long? I've never known something to go by so quickly and so slowly all at once. Wow. 6 months. Has it really been that long? I've never known something to go by so quickly and so slowly all at once. I miss you. We miss you. Luna, come say hello to Daddy.
No.
I've told her that she can talk to you, but you can't talk back. She doesn't like it, but... I've been explaining how important your mission is, and how proud of you we both are, and how big she's gonna be when you come home.
Come home, Daddy.
Let's get out of here. How you holding up?
I'm stuck on an alien planet with a bunch of people I barely know. If I hadn't taken that transfer, I'd be safe at home right now.
Try to find time for them. You're the new kid here, and this mission has already died on its ass. You need to show them you're human.
Oh, come on, Coop. You know I'm not good at that.
You'll be fine. As far as humans go, you're pretty unique, and that counts for something. Also, I've got your back.
Aw, thanks.
You hear that?
The voice is in your head again?
No, listen. Sounds like a messenger ping.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Has to be nearby.
Sorry it's taken so long to message. Hope you haven't missed me too much. I've been trying to scrape a report from Charybdis in preparation for orbit, but everything it sent us so far is classified. Don't tell Carter, but I may have borrowed William's utility strap. But I figured he might have access. I was fucking right. And it's not just Charybdis. He's got a private line with the Oracle. I tried to dig into it, but his utility strap has extra security protections. Something's up, and Williams is in on it. Meanwhile, we're supposed to sit here in the dark. I better put this back before Carter notices.
This is Thomas Carter. 48 hours from flight crew wake up. Something's wrong with Sims. I don't know. She attacked me. Oh God. She's trying to kill me. We were repairing an impact to the hull. We separated to repair different areas of the ship, but then...
That's not supposed to happen. She was psychologically screened. Isley, we found Carter's U-strap. You need to see this.
Understood. Let's review when you're back. Be careful.
We'd better meet up with the other two.
Yeah, you're right. Isley, we're in crew quarters. No sign of her yet.
Keep looking.
This way.
Jesus!
What
the hell was that?
Yeah, you almost took
We cannot go in there. It goes against every scientific protocol I know.
That was alien, right? Open it back up. At the very least, we need to grab a sample.
I saw enough. It's definitely organic, possibly hazardous, maybe even infectious. OPP Section 4, Paragraph 13. Any potential extraterrestrial substance
That's
should
not
be...
your decision to make. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and this is my ship.
And I'm the science officer on this ship. We can't risk it spreading. We need to lock this area down and take the time to set up proper safety measures.
We don't have time. Just grab a mask and get in there. This is a science expedition, isn't it?
Anders is right. We can't risk contamination.
Cernan, back me up.
Sorry, but I agree with Williams. We need to know what we're dealing with, and the more time we have to analyze it, the better.
Precisely.
You really think this is a good idea?
Yes, I do.
I'm the one who pays the checks. I'm the one who breaks the tie. We're taking a sample.
I'll take it. I'm fine, Anders. Hand it over. I got this.
I voiced my concerns, and I want that on record. We should get this straight to the lab.
Wait, I'm coming with you. It's not safe to be alone.
We talk about taking to the stars, as if we're the only ones among them. The universe doesn't share our hubris. It doesn't care about our odds.
Oxygen levels dropping. Oxygen recovery and stabilization required.
Great. I'll add that to my list, along with getting to the scanner and trying not to die.
driving
Hit that
humanity
can.